Here is how you guys can play Please Donate on Roblox. First, open up the Roblox, then you can simply go to more and then tap on create, and from here you will need to tap on this hamburger icon and go back to creator hub by tapping on creator hub, then go to dashboard. Then you should see here your public place here. So you will need to tap just on right corner over here, and you should make this to public. If you are in private, make sure that it is on public. All right, so mine is set to public, so I don't need to do it. So if yours is on private, make sure that is on public. So now once you guys have make this public, tap on this place, then once again tap on this hamburger icon, then swipe down. You should see monetization tab, and you need to tap on passes and simply go ahead and create this blue button which is saying create a pass. I have also created some test here and also enable this. So yeah, just letting you know that. So let's go ahead and create the pass. So you can also change the logo as you prefer. You can name this as pass or whatever you want it to. You can add description as well. So I'm just going to create a pass simply by putting on this create pass. So right now your pass is not on sale right now. You can see that it's on upsell. So you need to go to pass first and then tap on hamburger icon once again and go to sales, then toggle on this option item for sale. Then you can put your price. I'm gonna say $10, and then you can simply tap and save changes. So you can see that updated successfully. Now you can simply go back once again, and now you can see this has been also set to original price, understandable. And this is how you should create the pass. Now go back to game and search for Please Donate. Then tap this and make sure to hit on this play button. I'm just going to mute this. Now you guys can go there. Let me play from here. All right. Now go there to the direction that it's showing you. You can go to any stand that you wanted to. Now you will see this pop-up button saying stand to claim. So just tap this and you can see that now you have created a game pass on Roblox website, and it's showing that, and this is your donation here that you people can donate you this amount of Robux. Now if somebody have donated to you, you will see on this little button here which is gift, and you will see the notification over here. Right now I don't have it, so yeah, I'm just going to close this. Now let's say if you wanted to send or donate somebody, but to do that you need to go to auto stand here, and you can just simply tap that, and you can just buy the Robux and then donate them, and it's that simple. So this is it guys, this is how you can play Please Donate, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.